for the coverage of the second game of your Thursday triple header here at the points in that game against Nueva Ecija, while CJ Llarena was good for 7 markers in that game. Rojas opening up this game. Reyes trying to get the step on Aaron Heruta. Kent Lau, shot clock is winding down. Lau in hand, scoop is good.
Alam mo, few times mo lang makikita si Kent Lau na sa ganong ka-agresibo driving to the basket.
Talking about aggressive 2 points in that one. Berjay, back to a former college foe. Two-man game between the two UAAP studs. Ito ang liga ng bawat Pilipino, and you know that Filipinos love their physical basketball. Llarena hits it from the outside. Well, what a...
We are capable, coach. Just give us the opportunity. And they're a good play there.
Backdoor play converted right there by CJ. Buti na lang mas lamang ang maroon doon. Rojas hands it off. Kent Lau from the outside. That's specialty of the house. Rojas. Catsino given space there by RJ Deles. Decides to pass inside. CJ Katapusan able to get the 2 points.
Again, talking about
Iloilo. Alanes turns the corner. Alanes, the step back three-pointer on the way. Nothing but nylon for Shaq Alanes.
Alam mo, Bicolandia right now.
It was really a slow start for them on the way to being down by as much as 22 points. CJ Katapusan able to ward off the defense and finish with the left. Doesn't need a lot of that to hoist one up. Charles Burgos nakahanap ng puwang. That's basket and 1 for Charles Burgos. Defense as well. What more can you ask for if you're Coach Raymond Valenzuela?
Entirely a switch. Talagang imagine, this is Iloilo.
Jed Diaz scoring right there for Iloilo, pero siyam pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Bicolandia. Could be 12, yes! Shaq Alanes.
Start playing well, especially with that we showed in the screen yung 3-game stretch nila, hindi rin mabigat rin, especially their next game against
for 2, but he's still quicker than a lot of the other players.
Ang maganda kasi kay Rafi, ang ganda rin kasi ng ball handling skills.
Charles Burgos meanwhile showing his outside shoot and lead for Bicolandia. Katapusan, top of the circle, trifecta is pure.
Players ng Bicolandia, Oragons.
Rafi Reyes decides at the last moment to put it up and in, plus the foul. Ready of great value if you're Bicolandia. De La Rosa, elbow jumper. That's good.
Yes, Gwen Capasio got sub already pala.
Corner 3, Ray De La Rosa. He's heating up here, Coach Louie.
Yeah, especially that corner. And again, yung improvement ng mga teams natin. Imagine, Valenzuela. Okay, look at.
Get to within 1 or even tie this game up at 30. Diaz inside. RB Berjay for 2.
Game is yung mga players ni Coach MC na mga bata.
Deles has not been able to hit from the outside until now. The third quarter for Coach MC Evolucion. Rojas, nakakita ng puwang. Tweety Santos for 2 points.
You know,
up by Bicol once again. Iloilo off to another slow start here in the third. RJ Deles, that's 2 straight bombs from the outside from RJ Deles.
Legend. Alam mo yung luxury ko rin yan na having him almost every day sa practice ko sa JRU Coach Turo.
John Rojas, operation. He is playing a stellar ball game once again in this one, Coach Louie.
8 points already for John Rojas.
Squad that they had, John Apacible also coming out of that program. Boy, that was a tough.
Great pass.
Jed Diaz scoring inside. It was actually, Coach, masasabi mo Death 5 eh. I just really forget the names of the other 3.
Yeah, there's Ferrer there also.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, played for, again, kasi sa akin, though Marvin Lee, we can always, yung respect talaga ng offense ni Marvin Lee. Pero, irerespeto mo na siguro ngayon yung offense ni RJ Deles in this ball game.
Jason Credo Getting it from another former Ateneo Blue Eagle, Gwen Capasso. Two-man game at the back of your bench every game. I'm sure it will be a +10 in every department for you.
Oo. Again, just showed in our screen.
Capasso scores on the other side for Iloilo. Here comes Bicolandia against Charles Burgos. Had a decent first half para sa Bicolandia, and he continues to play well for Coach Raymond Valenzuela. De La Rosa, we've action here for Iloilo. Nonoy gets the DHO. Nonoy from the elbow gets the bounce. 48-40. Former UE Red Warriors playing beautiful music together. Credo sidestep, leaves it. Capasso off the glass. That's in. 2 points more for Gwen Capasso.
Again.
But more so being relied more for their defense. Gwen Capasso, nakahanap na naman ng libre.
Kailangan ipahinga ni Coach Raymond itong si Rafi Reyes and itong si Marvin Lee and Mark Yu will be vital.
Nonoy gives it up, gets it back. 7 seconds left. Nonoy all the way, passes it up last minute. RB Berjay finishes the play. That's correct. Gab Gomez turning the corner. Capasso gives it back. Gomez on the other side. Gomez with a score. Expose that pick and roll defense. Bicolandia talking about Iloilo. Rafi Reyes inside, leans in, bucket and one for Rafi Reyes.
Rafi yung kanyang outside shooting. I think maganda, napakaganda ng naging career na to in the pros.
Just spending time, a lot of time in that dunker spot. Rafi Reyes trying to break down the defense of Gab Gomez. Swatted away by Jed Diaz. That's number 2 in the game. But the bailout by John Rojas. Reyes calls flex. It's at the corner with Llarena. Rojas attacking RB Berjay. Push shot is good once again. John Rojas making this quarter hit.
They need to let Gab Gomez dictate. Di ba?
But guess who's dictating it right now for Bicol, Coach?
Goal.
Reyes setting up that two-man game with John Rojas. Deles having problem in that corner. Deles able to knock it down.
Okay. Captain, parang hindi nagbago eh. The way he plays during his time with the College of St. Benilde. Up to date. Pareho itsura, pareho yung buhok, pareho.
It's barely grazing iron on the 3. Catsino is cherry picking on the other side.
Alam mo yun, it's all about, it's up and down, execution after execution.
Yun na nga, Coach, mabilis na nga yung nangyari sa first half, pas bumilis pa tayo lalo here in the second half. And what's happening, Charles Llarena joining in on the party.
And again, you talk about quality.
Right, De La Rosa definitely exudes that right now. To Charles Llarena. Dangerous pass recovered by RJ Deles. Deles swishes it through. My goodness, RJ Deles, you are... Zach Alanes wants a screen. Doesn't use it. Alanes, the kick out. Get Lau from the outside. Three-pointer is good. Rojas on the roll. Rojas puts it up and in. 2 more points. And the lead back here for Bicolandia. Catsino gets a screen from Katapusan. Catsino from way downtown.
That's big.
CJ Catsino. Box office. Reyes instead gives it to Casajeros. Lordi takes it and gets the bounce. Not the play they want, they need. 73-72. Mark Nonoy with a quick answer. Deles being defended by Catsino. 3 seconds left. Deles from the outside. Deles just short